Welcome to the deep dive. So AI, right? It's fundamentally reshaping how we create wealth,
Absolutely.
radically lowering the barriers, really, for anyone looking to innovate or earn.
Yeah.
Today, we're diving deep into your provided sources, all about AI monetization.
And our mission here is basically to pull out the most important nuggets of knowledge from that material.
Right.
We want to outline some practical steps, share some compelling real-world stories. The goal is really to help you get well-informed on leveraging AI for actual revenue in this, landscape that's changing so fast.
Okay, so let's unpack AI's core value then in a business sense. It has this incredible capacity for continuous learning.
Right, and adapt.
And real-time decisions, plus that inherent scalability. Think about recommendation engines. They can serve millions, literally millions of users.
With almost no extra cost per user. That scalability is key.
Exactly. But here's where, for me, it gets really interesting. Generative AI. It specifically unlocks stuff that just seemed, unattainable before, like hyper-personalization, but on a massive scale.
Yeah, totally new possibilities.
And paving the way for completely new products. Think AI-generated music or digital assets for the metaverse, those virtual worlds.
It's fascinating because AI isn't just, a small improvement. It's a fundamental shift.
A real paradigm shift.
You could say that. Integrating AI is becoming, a strategic necessity for businesses just to stay competitive. And we're seeing the market mature, too. There's this increasing move towards value-based pricing. Meaning the cost of AI features links directly to the tangible value you get back.
Ah, okay. Like time saved, maybe?
Exactly. Or more conversions or specific tasks automated. The clearer the value, the easier it is to justify the cost.
That's a powerful shift, actually. It really recognizes AI's concrete impact. So if businesses are valuing AI more, what does that mean for you, listening right now, for your earning potential?
Yeah, let's translate this. Let's look at some concrete ways people are monetizing AI.
Okay, and maybe keep in mind that core idea you mentioned, identifying a real problem first.
Crucial. Always find that headache AI can uniquely solve. Don't just lead with the tech.
Got it. Okay, first up. AI-powered content creation. This market, I saw, is projected to hit over $9.2 billion by 2031.
It's huge.
Imagine using AI for graphic design. You could potentially earn, $30 or more an hour creating high-quality visuals.
Definitely possible. Or think freelance writing. AI tools can give you a massive productivity boost.
Yeah, I saw writing jobs on freelancer.com actually jumped over 20% in Q3 2023.
And it's not just about speed. One of your sources mentioned an entrepreneur, right?
Oh, yeah, the video production one.
That's the one. Systematically replaced their entire video workflow with an AI video maker.
Wild.
Get this. It led to an extra $18,000 a month.
Right.
New AI services, plus $15,000 a month saved in costs.
Wow, and didn't they launch a course really fast, too?
It's just 2 weeks.
Yeah.
A full 47-lesson course.
That's unbelievable. It just shows how AI is, democratizing creative production, lowering that barrier to entry.
Exactly. Anyone with a solid idea has a much better shot now.
Okay, moving on. How about developing and selling AI software? SaaS or APIs.
Another massive area. The global market for AI and software dev is projected to hit $15.7 billion by 2033.
And the growth rate is intense, right? 42.3% DAGR.
That's the compound annual growth rate, yeah. It's exploding. And what's really striking is the power of niche specialization, especially for bootstrap startups.
Like the Docs AI example.
Precisely. $45,000 in monthly recurring revenue, that's stable income each month with just 2 people.
Just 2, because they focused only on real estate contracts.
Exactly.
Hyper-focused.
And then there's Base 44. That story is pretty incredible.
Isn't it? Solo founder, bootstrapped, reached $1 million in annual recurring revenue in 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Then got acquired for $80 million after only 6 months. And their MVP, their basic first product, cost maybe $200 to launch.
It really shows how AI is changing the startup game, making it way more feasible for individuals without needing tons of outside cash. It absolutely democratizes tech entrepreneurship.
Okay, and third big area, offering AI consulting and implementation services.
Yeah, don't overlook this one. The AI consulting market is set to grow from about $8.8 billion this year to over $73 billion by 2033.
So businesses need help figuring this stuff out. They're willing to pay for actionable information from their data.
That's the key. Actionable insights. Consider the print shop owner example.
Right, saved 15 hours a month.
And double their conversion rate just by automating, quote, generation with a simple AI tool costing only like $50 a month.
Shows that immediate, tangible ROI, even for small businesses.
Exactly. And across all these content, software consulting, the underlying principle is key.
Yeah.
Remember, the human in the loop.
Meaning AI helps, it doesn't just replace.
Precisely. AI augments human skills, your oversight, your unique insights. They're still totally essential to get the most reliability and value out of AI.
So pulling this together, what seems really important is cultivating that hybrid skill set. You need some technical understanding, sure, but also strong communication, business sense. That blend is becoming crucial in this new AI economy.
Yeah, and connecting that to the bigger picture, the AI ventures that truly succeed will be the ones that can clearly show and deliver measurable value.
So less about just listing features.
And more about the concrete return on investment. What problem are you actually solving and how well?
Makes sense. So thinking about all this, what stands out to you listening as you consider these huge growing opportunities with AI? Where could your unique insights, your problem-solving skills merge with this technology? Something to think about.